fantastic painting effects using sand. Look at this brilliant beach scene that William's created. I love the way he's used different coloured strips of tissue paper for the sea and the golden sand on the beach. And he's drawn the people on top. Oh yeah, great picture of a beach, William. Do you know what? That's really inspired me. But I'm not going to do a picture of a beach. I'm going to do a picture with a beach. Sand. First, take a piece of stiff card and cover it in a thin layer of PVA glue. Slop it all over it, right to the corners and edges. That's it. Just slap it on quickly and cover all those gaps. And while the glue is still wet, take a cup of sand and gently sprinkle it all over the card. Now, the grittier the sand, the better. And again, get it into all those corners and edges. And when you've covered the whole thing, just leave it to dry. And when the glue is dried, tip off any excess sand, then, using a black pencil, sketch out the design of your sand painting. This is going to be an Egyptian scene. Just make it really simple, no fine detail. So there's a couple of pyramids in the foreground, and I'll do one in the background with a big setting sun behind it. Next, you need to make paint washes for your picture. Do this by mixing a small amount of coloured acrylic paint with water, and you want the paint to be quite watery as you only want to create a thin wash. And how about this watery orange for the sky? And because the wash is so thin, the texture of the sand shows through. So there's yellow for the setting sun. And again, sand is showing through the watery wash. And then perhaps a darker red for the pyramids. So on it goes like that. And maybe even a reddier shade for some shading down the side of the pyramid. Just streak it across like that. And I've even left some of the original sand showing through, and it all adds to the effect. And how's about some more red in the sky to make a sunset? And when you've finished painting and it's dry, you can even add on fine detail with black pen or a thin brush. And just draw on normally like you would on paper. Except this is a bit more scratchy. And there you have it, a brilliant sand painting. And you can do any design you like. How about this tropical beach? Or even this city skyline? Try it yourself, a sand painting. And don't forget you can check out the website for this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!